Hello everyone, this is Animesh, your IT teacher, and I welcome you all to the IT class of class 9th. So students, in the last lecture we have seen about the topic that is keyboard, okay, and some ASCII codes of different keys which is present on the keyboard. So today I am here with a new topic, dear children, that is types of keys, okay. So let us see what are the different types of keys which is available on the standard keyboard. The first one is alphabet keys, the second one is numeric keys, the third one is function keys, the fourth arrow keys, fifth enter key, sixth escape key ESC, seventh spacebar key, eighth shift keys, 9 control key, 10th caps lock key, 11 backspace key, 12th delete key, 13th numeric keypad, okay, I will discuss about this, okay, 14th guide keys. So dear children, I have one keyboard for you all so that you can see clearly the different keys which is present on this keyboard. See, this is the keyboard, right? So the first one is alphabet keys. You can see clearly Q, W, E, R, T, Y. So A to Z alphabets are there. So all the alphabet keys are present. See here. This may be A, S, D, F, G, H, J, L, K, L. After that Z, X, C, V, B, N, M. Okay. Now next, that is numeric keys. So numeric keys are here also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 0. And here also numeric keys are present. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 0. Okay. The next one is that is function keys. See, these are the function keys, that is F1, F2, F3, F4, F5, F6, F7, F8, F9, F10, F11 and F12. Okay. Next, that is arrow keys. So these are arrow keys. This and this. Okay. Up arrow, down arrow, left arrow and right arrow. Okay. The next one is enter key. See, this is enter key and this one more here. Okay. Next one is that is ESC, escape key. Here it is escape key. We will read the different functions of all the keys, but I am just discussing about all the keys which is present on the keyboard so that you should get a good picture, okay, or a little bit idea you should get, okay, about the keys which is present on the keyboard. The next one is that is space bar key. See, this is the longest button. This is space bar key. Shift keys. See, one shift key is here and the second one is here. Next, control key. See, this control key and one more is this one. Okay. After that, caps lock key. You can see clearly this is caps lock key. Okay. After that, backspace key. This is called backspace. This one, this button, backspace. After that, delete key. Delete key is here and different, all the keys are also here. See, end key, page down, page up, home, insert. We will learn these things when you will come for the practical classes. Okay. After that, numeric keypad, especially numeric keypad is here. You can see 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. This full stop is here. Okay. After that, plus, minus, multiply, numlock. Okay. These different signs are here on the numeric keypad. After that, guide keys. So guide keys we will discuss after the completion of all the topics one by one. I will discuss what are guide keys. Okay. So you just take the screenshot of this. I will discuss the rest of the topics, okay, related to the same. I will discuss all the keys. Okay. I will explain about all the keys after this. You just take the screenshot. Okay children, so let us see the very first key, that is alphabet keys. I already discussed there are 26 alphabet keys. You have studied in junior classes A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, like that, so on. A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, like that only. So I am not going to teach you A, B, C, D here. I am just talking about the various types of keys which is present on the keyboard. Okay. So that is A to Z on a keyboard that help to type letters. they are not arranged in alphabetical sequence on the keyboard. See, you can clearly see, okay, here on this keyboard the alphabets are not arranged in order, like A, after that S is here, not B, C. So this is not in a proper order. Okay, so these are called alphabet keys. The next one is numeric keys. There are 10 numeric keys, that is 0 to 9 on a keyboard. They help to type numbers. They lie at two different places on the keyboard, that is above the alphabet keys and towards the right side of a keyboard. You can see here, dear children, see, according to the statement, two different places. The first, that is above alphabet keys. These are alphabet keys, and see, just above the numeric keys are present, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 0. And here also you can see 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And by this you can put decimals also. Okay. So on this numeric key, there are two different sets of numeric keys which are present on the keyboard. So you just do one thing. First you take the screenshot of this. I will discuss the rest of the remaining keys. Okay children, so let us see the third, that is function keys. Such keys lie on the upper side of the keyboard, that is above the number keys. They are labeled as F1, F2, F3 and so on up to F12, where F stands for function. You can see, dear children, here, okay, see, the various function keys are present, that is F1, F2, F3, F4, F5, F6, F7, F8, F9, F10, F11 and F12. So different function keys are for various purposes. Okay, we will understand, but in the practical class. Okay. Next, the fourth one is, that is arrow keys. So what are arrow keys? The arrow keys are the direction keys which show, sorry, I have written 2 times show here, show arrows in different directions, that is up, down, left, right. These keys are helpful when one has to move the cursor across the screen. Arrow keys are also known as cursor control keys, or it is also known as navigation keys. See, I am talking about these arrow keys. These. The same, okay. It is also known as, these arrow keys are also known as cursor control keys, that I have written over there. And the next, it is also known as navigation keys. Okay. So dear children, for today, that's all in this class. In the next class, we will meet with the rest of the keys. So for today, your class is over. Have a good day and God bless you all.